Hi friends, I am Thiagraj. Once again welcome to Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. Today we are going to see how to file the GSTR 1 nil return in online. So finance year beginning itself we need to decide whether you are going to file monthly or quarterly. So let's see in online. Now we are going to log into GST site gst.gov.in. Once click on enter, it will load. The main page will be look like this. Then right hand side there is an option called login. Once click on the login, it will ask you your ID and password. You need to update your captcha details. Then click on login. Once login, the main page, inside that page you can able to see this. So return dashboard, new return, there is a trial. If you want to create the challenge, you can click on it. Then click on continue to dashboard. Here its journey input is there, or is any electronic liability or credit ledger is there, it will reflect here. If you have a cash balance, if you paid excess, also reflect. Click on file return. Here we are going to select for current financial, that's 2021. For April month we are going to file in the May month. April month return we are going to file in May month. Click on enter, search. Now here it's asking option for quarterly return filing by normal taxpayer. So if your turnover is less than 1.5 crore, you can go for quarterly, or if your turnover is more than 1.5 crore, you can go for monthly. So we are selected here monthly and click on enter, submit. Now it will ask you the confirmation because you selected monthly. So every month we need to file the return. Now you can see, so GSTR 1 we are going to file it. We are going to file it online. So prepare online. So there is no invoice, no need to feed any information here. Just scroll down. There is an option called generate GSTR 1 summary. Click on it. It will take time to refresh. Once refresh is done, then click on acknowledgement. Then click on submit. Now it will show you the process. It will take it will take time. So we need to come out again. You can check it is submitted. We are going to file the return. You can scroll down again. The file status showing that this is submitted. Now we are going to file the return. You can see the file return option is highlighted. Once click on the filing return, it will ask you to again. So you need to confirm it. So all the information correct or not. Then select the signature part. Select file with EVC, electronic verification code. The code will be sent to your mobile number and verify it. Once verification done, you can able to see the status. It is already filed. Now we are going to back return. You can see the status here. Again it's a filing is done. The actual due date is 11th of May. So we are already filed that. Now if you want to go back, click on return option or back option. I am coming back to the main screen. In this screen you need to select which financial you are going to check it. I need to select financial is first 2021. That's April month I need to select here. Now we are going to check GSTR 3B. The GSTR 3B is not showing the due date. Corona pandemic. They given the link in that they attached a circular. So once confirm the date, they will update in the place of due date. So we need to wait. So we are not going to file the return now. We are not going to file the GSTR 3B. So we are going to log out here. This is how we need to do the process. In this session we have covered how to file GSTR 1 nil return. In the upcoming session we are going to cover how to file GSTR 3B nil return. I hope we have shared some valuable information to you in this knowledge sharing session. you may understood the process and like this video. Please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned. Every day something new to learn.